So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a business flyer using Photoshop, as you can see. So I will just hit on this create. Yep. So I will rename this. Let's see. Let me just put this flyer. So I will go with this size 1080 by 1350. Yep, I'm going with add boot. I click on this and then resolution 300. I will just hit on create. So you can see it's actually reading at board 1. So the first thing that I will do is I will just go to here, create a new field. So we are going to create a gradient color. So if you look at this, it's looking somehow good. What I need is to be okay. Let's just go with this. You can see the color here, the color code here, 507E7E here, and then you can see the percentage of the color opacity. That's 100%, and then for this route here is actually 0. So you can see the color, and then for this one here is the opacity is 0. That's is transparent. So it will replicate. It will shows white. So let me just hit on QX. So here we go with this color. So I will just go to my gallery here, and then I will just drag this to Photoshop. Let me expand that. Yep. So I will go with this. So what I will do is I will change it to, let me go with this off. Yep. It's looking good. Let me see, let me try another part. Yeah, this one look good, but it's light. It's lighter. I will just go with this one, right? So I will create a clipping marks here, and then my foreground color is black. I will pick on brush, and then I will just brush these parts. Let me reduce the size of the brush. Yeah. So I don't need this parts. Yep. I don't need this parts. So that's even this part I don't need it. Yeah, so here we go. Let me see. It's looking somehow. So I just think, let me just delete the clipping marks and then redo it again. So we are just doing it from scratch, right? So yeah, so I think this one is good. I don't want it to be that rough. So what I will do next is I will just create a new layer here, and then on this layer I will just create a kind of rectangular shape like this. So for this one I will just pick this color here. I'll just pick this color. If you don't know the color, here is the color codes F1, 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 F1. Yep. So I will just pick on it. Then let me see. Control T, and then I will enlarge it. Expand it. So we are almost good to go. So I'll just pick it like this. Yeah, this is it. So the next thing that I will do is I will go to my gallery and then I will drag this Photoshop again. So I got this from Pinterest actually. And it yeah. Yep. I think I will do editing. I will edit this photo a little bit, although it is sharp, but I would edit it a little bit. So I will just create a layer just between the shape, first rectangular shape and the image. So what I will do for this, I will create another shape here. Just a simple one. I don't want it to be that rough. Yep. So I want it to be just like this, as you can see. Yep. So I will go to this curve and then curve it a little bit. Under these properties, you can see that I'm just curving it. Curve. Oh, this is too big. Yes, something like this is okay. All right, something like this is okay. So what I will do next is actually for me to create another layer. Although this one I will duplicate it first. Ctrl G to duplicate the layer and then drag it to the top, and then I will just make it like this. And then for the color, I will change it to, let me go with this color. It's just white, so you don't have to bother yourself, just for you to drag it up. So I'm going with this. Yeah, this is good. So for this layer here, I don't have anything on the layer, so I will just drag this thing here like this. That's it. So I will change the color to black. That's the color that we have been using for the shapes. So I will just make it toward here. Yeah. So be checking your alignment here. Like that. So that's it for this. And then the next thing that I will do is, let me drag this one. I did that too. It's not supposed to be up. Yep. Just increase the size. So here we go. So the next thing that I will do is I will create another shape, and then on this shape I will just create something like this, a small, small shape. Yeah. So in this shape, I'll just mark it to be around this axis. I'll duplicate it. Yep. And the next one, I'll duplicate it. Yeah. So as you can see, So the next thing that I will do is, let me see, for the first one here, I will just drag them, the three. You can see the three. I selected the three and then Ctrl G in order to group them. I will just put them as my shape. Shift my shapes. Okay. So for this, what I will do next is from here, let me just drag this kind of down. So what I will do next is for me to put the let me create a new layer first. And I'll just put it like this. Just put a shape like this. And I need this one to be around there. You got it? Let me see whether I can just reduce the size of this to a smaller size. Yeah, I think this is good to go. So we are good to go. So for these shapes, I will just do what I'm supposed to do. The first thing that I will do is I will drag this one here. I think I mixed something. So for you to understand better, I will just click on this first one, first shape here, you can see. And then I will go to my file and then drag this into Photoshop. So I need it to be here. Yep, so I will right click and then create a clipping mask. Yep, so I think we are good to go. I will go to stroke, and then for stroke I need white, so I will go with stroke size. Okay, let me just stroke size should be 4. I'll just go with 4. Woo! I need white. I was seeing this, so I'll just drag this one here. 4 is a kind of too big for this, so I will just reduce it. Should we go with 1.2? Yeah. So I'll click the next one here and then I'll go to my gallery and then drag this finger something, nail something. Okay, I'll not say finger is a nail. So nail something. Just fix it here. And then you know what to do. Create clipping marks. So you can adjust it like this if you want, but you can actually adjust it in a way that will sharp. The important thing will sharp. Yep. So what I will do, I will go to the shape, and then for the shape, I need to stroke it with white. Yep. So my shape size is this. Yeah, I got to go. So for the last shape here, I will just go and then drag which one again, camera. Okay, let me just carry this camera. Just drag it to the. So I'll just, do the needful, which is creating a clipping marks. Yes, this is good. So I will just go to the shape and I'll choose for shape size. I think we are good to go with this. I'm going with white, so I'll just drag this here. So I think we are good to go. We are good to go actually. So the next thing that I will do is for me to actually fix some of the thing that's supposed to be there. So I will pick Okay, let me just drag this. Verify. Yeah, I need it to be around here. Although I didn't supposed to even bring this verify first. For sure, since it's here, I don't need to do anything. Ah, baby, I didn't supposed to put the verify. Virus. This verify that you are seeing is trying to get me added, so I will just go and overlay. Yeah, for the color I used, okay, I will use this color EXCF50. So I'll just click on OK and then OK it. So that's it. But for this one I have to like do something first before I continue with that. So I will go to text, and then for text I will write the name of the brand, which is what you see it here. For Photoshop, and then paste it. Copy all. I will go with this. So I pick the color of this. Don't see, I got the color somewhere else. So it's just as simple as abachada. So here we go. Yep. So the next thing is to put so for this I will go with this. Is this good? Sound good. But I will change it to this color. I think we are good to go with this. So I don't know how to speak English. You don't know how to speak Arabic. Okay, I will just go to new layer and put the layer with this, and then for the font I'm using this Arial. I hope you are following me. Yep. So I'll just fix it like this. So the next thing that I will do is just for me to put this within a column. I don't know. So I think we are going to go. So let me just group these layers so that I will not touch them much. So I'll go to new layer, and then for this new layer, I wish I can copy this and just paste it here. Let me try. Instead of me to do my with the color. So I paste them, but it seems like I don't even know what I'm doing. So for this, let me go with Arial and see. how the thing will be. It seems like it will make sense. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? So let me go with this. I'll say. Someone asking me to change the color. Yes, I'm about to change the color to white. So let me just reduce the size to. Should I go with it? Okay, it is good. Yeah, I think this one is good. We are good. We are good. So for this verify, what am I supposed to do? Verify. So let me verify it by reducing the size. Don't mind me, just seeing it for fun. So I duplicate the layer by pressing on Ctrl G. Hey, and now I have to do this. So I think from this we are good to go. I will just go to the first. To the last. Should I group them? No. So I will just go to this. Where is this? Equal spacing. Need it to be equal spaces. Equal spaces. Alright, I have actually equalized the distributions. See this? Distribute spacing. Yep, that is what I actually like. Alright, Ctrl G. Okay, let me just do this. Ctrl G in order to group them, and then I will write verify. Okay, we are good to go. We are actually going forward. So the next thing that I will do is I will just drag. Okay, where is my phone icon? I didn't see anything like WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp. Okay, let me just drag it first. I gotta use it for WhatsApp. And I will use it for WhatsApp. Let me just drag it up so that I can be capable of knowing what I'm doing. So let me just search for something like where is it? I just have it, so you see it here. Let's drag it here. Yep. What? What am I doing? Okay. Where is where you're supposed to stay? The distribution to 42. Yeah. Okay, I will just go to color overlay. Yeah. So I will just use this color overlay. Yep. So for this one also, I have to remove this side. just move it to this side a little bit. Okay, so let me copy the number. Where is the number? Where is the number? Yes, this is the first number. 2, 3, 4. That kind of thing where PP they do. 2, 3, 4. So I will make this to be, let me see, let me go with bold and see. Will it be good? I don't like bold. I don't like bold. Let it be regular. Okay, but let me increase the size and see. Yeah, we can go with it. I don't need to do it that kind of way, but let me copy this one also. And then where's my Photoshop now? So let me duplicate it. Ctrl G. Q. Let me paste. Yep, so I think we are good to go. So my major challenge now is this woman here who don't want me to proceed, but because of some things I will just okay, let me just use camera roll. So I'm going to edit her. Let me see whether I'm capable of editing her. Let me see. I create texture. So I'm just using this so that she can pop up a little. Should I say a little? Yeah, should I say a little? So you can actually see it has popped up. This is before, this is after, this is before, this is after. So let me see whether I can create a clipping marks. Yep, I created a clipping marks, and then I will just hey, so you can see the edges. I am just working on the edges so that they may, yep, something like this. You see it's actually fine. Actually fine. So that's it for this flyer. So what I will do next is for me to create a kind of new layer, and then under this layer I will just go with my brush here. So from my brush, okay, there is that menu. Oh, now I even remember, see, I know put our services. So let me just quickly put it. Okay, I just supposed to. Okay, let me just copy from this. Ctrl J, copy it, and then. For our service, okay, it's supposed to be capital letter since it's something that is important. Services. Should I say services? No, service. Whether it's good or wrong, just go and put your honest. Don't say I don't know how to speak English or write English, so it doesn't matter. Fine. Just put it in a way that you can understand. That's much pretty better. Should I go with it? Yep, so let me go with this. But what if I put it in a regular manner? Hey, the English. Okay, let me just go with this. Okay, the next thing that I will do, as I said earlier on, is just for me to, let me see, I don't have layer here. I don't have layer here, so I will delete one. So I will just go to my brush tool, and then for this brush tool, I will just pick one. This is too big. Okay, let me go with this and see. Dab 1, dab 2. Let me see. Okay. Dab 3. Hey, this is too big. I better Control V. So I will just make it screen and see. How does this look big? I think we are good to go. I don't know what you are looking for, but I think we are good to do this. For me, I'm good. So you can actually go to the first to the last layer. Hold Shift, mark all the layers, and then Control Alt E for screenshot of all your layers. So you can see now you can actually go to camera row and then do your editing. So I don't have to do this editing. You already know how to do that. If you watch some of my tutorials, you can actually go and do your editing by yourself. Thank you very much, guys. See you on the next tutorial. Cheers. If you are new, please subscribe for more tutorials on Photoshop. And then I have a lot of tutorials posted on Pixel Lab, so you can actually go and watch. And then with Photoshop, we are going better and higher. Thank you very much. Do have a nice day, guys. Cheers.